Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside a range of 3700 3800. And market seems to be choppy. Gold closed around 3758 3759 on Friday. And obviously, as a day trader, okay, it is a little bit confusing for us to find out the trend of the market or in which direction gold is about to move. Okay, before I move forward, okay, let's try to find out the market sentiment. So gold holds ground as investors seek safe haven. Gold holds near record high. Gold remained above 3750 per ounce on Friday, near record high of 3790 despite the rebound for the dollar and treasury yields, as demand for safety offset the outlook of a less dovish Federal Reserve. So my dear friends, more or less gold is back on track again. Chances of gold going for a trend reversal is very less. As we have already discussed in our previous videos also, that for a bigger correction we need gold below 3700. But right now chances are slim. Why? Because if we look at a daily chart of gold, then obviously there is no doubt that gold was super bullish. Okay, gold was super bullish and gold is still extremely bullish. But for better entry, we need a discounted price. Okay, those who are holding buy on gold, you can hold your buy position because still sky is the limit. You can hold your buy position on gold with a stop loss below 3700. But if you're a swing trader or looking for a positional trade on gold, then obviously you don't want to buy at the top, isn't it? You needed a discounted price. And for the discounted price, we need retracement, correction on the chart of gold. So as we can clearly see, okay, technically on the chart of gold, around 3600 or 3650K. Okay, it is the best price to grab gold, but chances are very less. So now we were looking for retracement around 3700. Okay. So let's wait and watch. Okay, let's keep our fingers crossed that in case market comes for retracement, then if you are a swing trader looking for a fresh position, you can look for a good buy around 3700 area. Otherwise, technically 3600 3600 is the best. These are the best levels, but chances are very less. Okay, but obviously there must be some proper correction because market is still standing at a record high here, almost near the record high here. Gold should be coming down, but if gold doesn't come down, then obviously we cannot help it, and we are traders, isn't it? So we need to respect the trend of the market and plan our trades accordingly. And this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. So before going forward, okay, let me repeat again. If you're a swing trader and if you have a buy on gold, you can hold your buy with a stop loss below 3700. And if you're looking for a fresh position, you need to wait for further retracement. The levels from this chart, my dear friends, the levels from this chart, okay, are strictly for day traders only, because this is a 15-minute chart and 15 minutes time frame is ideal for day trading only, not for overnight traders or swing traders. Okay, so market closed around 3758 3759. This is the LTP, last traded price here. So the market opening is going to play a major role because market almost closed at the support here around 3758 3757. As I said, okay, the market opening is going to be very important because market almost closed at the support. After the market opening, if you see gold, okay, gold is taking support and trying to go up. If you want to buy at the market opening, it's up to you. You can go for a buy, but you must have heard that market opening and market closing, okay, are not the ideal time to trade because of the unexpected volatility, unexpected volume. Okay, so it depends on you. If you see the right after a market opening, gold is taking support, you want to buy, it's up to you. You can go for a buy. But if you do not want to buy, okay, then I think it's a better decision. Okay, then where is the second support? The second support on the chart of gold is around 3752 3749. Okay, this is the second support on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy. And in case market breaks this particular level of 58.57 at the opening, then obviously, okay, you need to forget about buying and all. Okay, and you need to wait for the second support, which is around 375 to 3749. Okay, why are we considering? You can say the same logic here. The price action, previous resistance will be working as support here. Along with that, 50 is a round number, psychological level as well. So we are expecting it to work. And we also have a support around this black line here, okay, around 3734. This support is also very much valid. Okay, then we also have some minor support around 40 areas also. So you can say, you can easily see that we have multiple layers of support. So the market opening is going to play a major role. If market takes support right at the market opening, okay, around 57, 58 area, then market may go up. But if you see the market opens with a big red candle, then obviously, okay, this is not going to work, and our support will be around 50, 51, 50 area. If it takes support, we can buy. Okay, that's it. And where are the next support level? We have the second support around 40 area, 3740, and then third support around 3734. So these are the three support levels on the chart of gold where we can consider a buy. Okay, if market goes down after the market opening. 3758, 3757, okay, it's a immediate level. So okay, we are not very sure right now whether it will work or not. Okay, but otherwise, these are the levels that we can consider for buy at the market opening. So market opening is going to play a major role. Some other levels are there also. For example, okay, we have, as I have already said in the previous video on Friday also, that 3700 is the best level. Obviously, 3700, then 367174. Okay, these are the best levels. Okay, but the levels that I said are for day traders only. If we are a swing trader, then obviously, okay, in case market drops, then we can look for a buy down 3700, 3705. Okay, and in a choppy market condition like this, listen to me carefully. Okay, in a choppy market condition like this, it is ideal to trade only at the levels. Okay, means buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But you can clearly see the levels that we just discussed, okay, are not the good ones. They are on the middle of the chart. They are the little bit risky levels, because chances of market coming down to, okay, 3700 or 3900, okay, is little less, because we will have to wait for a longer period of time. And as a day trader, I know that you guys need some trades. Okay, so you can consider buying around 40, 34, 50 if market takes support. How much you can expect? Initially, you can expect 60 to 70 pips. If you see further potential, you can go for 1:2 to reward ratio as well. And if market surprise with a crazy amount of selling pressure, then obviously you need to use your common sense. For example, if you see that right at the market opening, market is forming big red candles, then obviously you need to forget about buying and wait for 370005. This is the best support, or the ideal support, logical support. Okay, and 367174 is also still very much valid, but chances of market going to this level is very less. Okay, and after the market opening, if gold starts going up, then what will happen? Okay, if gold starts going up, then obviously, okay, on Monday, I will not suggest you any selling opportunities. On Thursday, we got a good sell. On Friday, we got a good sell. But on Monday, I'm not going to suggest you any selling opportunity. Obviously, I can say that you can go for a sell around 3790, 3800, but it depends on the market condition and the market opening. So I will okay, suggest you guys to wait for the market to open. Obviously, I'm coming on Monday morning also after the market opening to discuss the opportunities on gold. As of now, let's wait for the market to open. Okay, and if market starts going up, then obviously we will discuss on Monday only, because I do not see any immediate trading opportunities on Monday. If you see, okay, if you see or if you find some selling opportunity on 75 area, because the previous support will become resistance here, then you can look for a sell. Otherwise, the rest of the levels are not very trustworthy right now. Okay, so day traders, you do not have any clear on the trend on the market right now. For the trend reversal, we need gold below 3700, or for the upside, we need gold above 3800. As long as market is trading between 3800, 3700, okay, the choppiness, the sideways nature of the market will continue. Okay, and we need to plan our trades accordingly. And sadly, okay, if market goes up after the market opening, we do not have any immediate levels except 75 area. Okay, let's wait. And have a lovely weekend, guys. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.